Hey, so I'm working on this new project. I always end up picking up something new, but this is very similar to WebFiddle. I'm calling it WebSim. We will basically simulate the web, so you can have your own JavaScript and CSS, and you can get Claude to automatically generate for you. So you can describe what you're doing with a title description and the default URL, and then enter a URL here, and then you can navigate and see with different like HTML structures what gets rendered. This HTML is completely generated by Claude, so it's pretty amazing he's managed to generate a site with like videos and just all these cats, and all these cats have just come from the cat API. I don't know. Yeah. The button literally works, so I'll load more cats. Just infinitely loads cats. And that's all I had to do. I didn't have to actually code any of this or this. I just had to say cats found a cat API and go to catinterest.com, and then you'll literally get or any just cats.com, anything that kind of sounds like cats that's used in the prompt. So yeah, how did we've got a lot to do. Like we need to fix these icons. If you we can change this. Yeah, and it'll just live inject into here. Oh, it's weird that it doesn't oh, red. That's interesting. It doesn't reload until you. Yeah, it's kind of a little bug there. I wonder what that is. Um, ah, blue D. Yeah, for some reason there's some kind of reloading bug, but it just should inject the CSS straight away. And it won't inject the JavaScript until you go run. You can put like an alert here or something just to see. When you hit save, it generates another URL here. So they're all unique. Every time you're coding here, there's another unique link to your little web sim. I need to actually deploy this. I need to improve this. So it's just generated all of this with inline styles, which is why I had to do important. I'm gonna maybe add Tailwind so that this looks a bit better by default. And I need to cut this out. This is just a relic of Claude that happened. I'll show you the code. This is open source. All right, let's generate with Claude. That just passes through to Claude with a few retries. For legacy reasons, I'm calling this a mirror. It's copied from a project called WebFiddle, which this used to be an actual proxy server. WebFiddle's a different project that uses a proxy server to inject your changes on anyone's site. I just kind of copied that, but I'm changing it a bit so that it's an AI generated site and not a proxy server here. So Mirror used to be a proxy server. I'm editing it now so that it should be. Yeah, I think there's a bug in this fine text between bits. We're not cutting the body out because Claude generated this function to reload cats and this HTML. Oh yeah, see body open, and but they've got some styles on the body, but yet. Okay, what have I done here? I've gone like that. So that should be good enough to cut out this. This text is actually, this. Here's the full. Let's pop that in. I'm actually struggling to get. This is the prompt here. I just use the URL, title, description, and then I'm telling Claude that I'm working on a site. give me the body tag basically, everything in line. That is causing a bit of like styling issues, I'd say, because we don't really want inline styles. We want to be able to quickly restyle it without using important everywhere. So I'm going to add we'll add Tailwind. I don't know if I should just download Tailwind myself. I probably should. Yeah, I'll just download it. I do use this is a really old project. It's got Bower. Yeah. I don't know if there's I'm not really sure there's some CSS and JavaScript for Tailwind, maybe? Or is it just CSS? I don't want all the sites to feel a bit samey, but yeah, we'll see if it looks better if I ask it for Tailwind. Oh, I need that as well. I've just got this like really simple page here. Just all the boilerplate, like the generated, it puts your JavaScript and your style in as well as what Claude generated. Eventually I'll let you regenerate your own scripts with Claude as well. Yeah. There we go. Hmm. Those plugins. Plugins. I can just do that. All right, just do that. I don't know if that's bad. I'll just do it for now. And then I'll circle back to that. Let's see. I'm gonna ask for instead of everything in line, we'll say everything using Tailwind. But I do kind of want slash inline scripts because it did manage to get this button. It actually got it correct just with writing a huge script in line. I still want to do that. I want it to only give HTML. This did help reduce the output tokens, which are more expensive than input tokens, longer to generate. But that's a bit of a boast. I think I could do better at describing, like, I don't want Claude to waffle. I just want it to give pure HTML response, or maybe I could use the completions API or something like that. But yeah. So what else do we want to do? Should probably look into that bug. Injecting the CSS. Yeah, I will. I'm going to have something a bit simpler than this to load. I think it's got some caching in there, so I don't know if it actually is doing another query to Claude or not. I think maybe that's why it's so slow. But that might not be working properly. Um, yeah, it's mirrored content. Just asking this can. I think when we get this content, we actually want the we actually use the body here, so content is the body really. You're having two variables and swapping around, that's a bit messy, but then you wouldn't need this. So body is none. Just so I think we need to actually save it. So um, uh, I'm just quickly caching this body. We've got this cache. Is that the same cache though? I think it's a global in this file. Yeah, I think it's the same cache. So content. This is maybe we should just make a save method here. Okay. Um, I've been trying out Claude 3 Sonnet for there you go. That's great. That's it. For coding, and it's yeah, it's good. So I think that might be yeah. Let's use that instead. So this is all this weird code from when it was a proxy up. I should just delete that. Yeah. I should move them and save. Yeah. So for that, to make sure we're not querying it, it's just a bit hard to kind of iterate quickly on this with all the queries to Claude. There we go, it made it again, which is good. And we want something simpler than cat, so I'll save like a simple like plain CV or something. Plain CV online. Let's see what that does. You don't actually have to put .com or query parameters, but you can do that. It's just part of the prompt, really. Oh, so cat gallery. That's weird. I wonder if that. Oh, I wonder if we need to save because we need to save. Yeah, we're still in using that fiddle, so we hit save. Yeah, now it's from the CV, and now we hit enter. Oh, dot. We have to change it. I should make that a bit more smoother. I'm thinking about having like a little regenerate button here. Yeah, it's Claude. Channel CV. Here we go. Oh, I'm terrible with the blue. Yeah, John Doe. Claude's good at like not. Oh, got computer science from the University of Technology. Interesting. Yeah, I've done the Google Analytics and the AWS. That's okay, but it's not me because I haven't done the Scrum one. Um, yeah, I wonder if I put my name in here, it kind of you can, Claude knows about me. I don't know. You can always it's always interesting to see. So, and it's crazy how good Claude is. I mean, this is actually a decent like it's got nice formatting. I haven't actually done anything here. Just save that so that yeah, this is a better way to quickly test it. It's not like loading the images, it'll go nice and quickly. So yeah, what to do.